Hello everybody and welcome to Baking Center of Les Safres International in the north of France. We will present you the brioche mix 50%. For this recipe we're gonna use strong flour, the brioche mix, yeast and water. So let's go for mixing. 1.5 kilo of strong flour, 1.5 kilo of brioche mix, 150 grams of yeast and 1400 milliliters of cold water. We're gonna mix 3 minutes slow speed and 8 minutes high speed. So the mix is finished. We can see that the dough is well mixed. Now I will divide the dough in 2 pieces and then I will use the round molding machine. And now with the remaining dough we will make some buns. And now we are going to proof them for 1 hour. After 1 hour of proofing, we're gonna put the egg gauche and topping sugar. And now we are going to bake the products for about 15 to 20 minutes in 190 degrees. By using brioche mixed, we made some buns with 70 grams of dough and some brioche in tins with 420 grams of dough. Now for the recipe of panettone, we're gonna use strong flour, brioche mix, fresh yeast, water, raisin and dried sweetened orange. 1.5 kilo of flour, 1.5 kilo of mix, 150 grams of fresh yeast and 1400 milliliters of cold water. We're gonna mix it 3 minutes low speed and 8 minutes high speed. Once the dough is well mixed, we're gonna add the dry fruits. 300 grams of dry sweetened orange and 300 grams of raisin. We continue to mix for 3 minutes slow speed. After mixing, we are going to rest the dough for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes of resting, we are going to divide the dough 500 grams. Next step, we will shape the dough and we will put them in the paper tray. And now we are going to put them in the proofer for about 1 hour. After proofing, our panettone are ready for baking. Then we're gonna cut. And then we're gonna put some sugar. And now let's go for baking for about 30 minutes in 180 degrees. Very nice structure.